Hello, let me show you how to install OPPO and Realme CPU drivers from HardReset.Info website. So firstly you have to open a browser and then go to HardReset.Info website. Okay, so when we are here, just click on download, and here we need to enter drivers. Click on search. Okay, so here is our OPPO and Realme CPU drivers. Just click on it and choose this green tab and click download. Wait a moment. Okay, now we can click here on our file and just close it and choose our installer. Click on yes, next. Okay, that's all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.